Hi, my name is Kandap Shukla. We are a group of two people, me and Sandeep Tilakonche. We are going to give a presentation on managing innovations in our organization, and our case study is on Rio Tinto. Rio Tinto is an Australian-based mining company, and it is one of the most advanced organization in mining industry. Present study is based on evaluation of innovation aspects of Rio Tinto by considering the initiative and existing strategies. Further success and failure innovation measure will be evaluated on the basis of their past performance. On the basis of performance analysis, recommendations will be provided for future innovations. In present economic scenario, innovativeness is significant aspect of pursuing strategic planning. Innovation leads to uh, wealth creation as it improves productivity and enhances overall profitability. Even though efficiency is significant for business success, however, in the long run aspect, companies cannot sustain operational growth without innovation. Innovation in mining industry. The mining industry of Australia is currently evidencing one of the most intense period of change, even since along with the ability to innovate, to adapt, evolve, and improve is obligatory for companies operating in it. Major innovation in the mining industry in Australia over the years are 3D mapping, autonomous tunnel borers, revitalized excavators, and simulation technology, X-ray diffraction equipments. By working cohesively in a strong partnership with the produce group of Rio Tinto in several of aspects, it is noted that growth and innovation of Rio Tinto establish value by working cohesively in a strong partnership with the product group of Rio Tinto in several aspects. It is observed that GNI has discovered the new mining area by exploratory, and GNI are also responsible for extraction of major projects such as new mining constructions and implementation by bringing product improvements. In addition, GNI focuses on utilizing the technical capabilities in order to optimize operation to life cycle of the aspects in mining. It is noted that Japanese technology are and ideas support the Rio Tinto Future program. In the partnership with a company of Japan, the autonomous health system has developed, and they have adopted the Japanese approach, Kaizen, Kaizen, in order to have continuous improvements. The Japanese business partners have also engaged in Rio Tinto exploration project, and one of the events in Laos events and the events of Backstone exploration. Thus, it can be stated that the operations of Rio Tinto are considered as the most technical and advanced system in the world. The innovation is a new driving force and collaborator success key in Australia. Innovation managed by Rio Tinto. In the premises of Pilbara, the company has led the autonomous industry with autonomous train, drill, and trucks. The operation center of Perth is around 1500 miles away from operation of Pilbara, which manages the complexity of railway, port, and iron ore mines. It is analyzed that Rio Tinto Future Program is responsible for introducing the next level strategy in order to increase efficiency, reduce cost, deliver safety and environmental performance, and improve health. Rio Tinto has signed a partnership agreement with external leader firms, including equipment producers and universities. In the future projects, the organization is also introducing rapid turn technology and block cave mining in allowing the organization extract the large bodies of ore. It is done by having no opening pit at the surface. Moreover, in a Bandara city of Melbourne, our technical survey team has been helping with collaboration effort of well developing process for the Jadar lithium bore project. Rio Tinto provides initiation of having discovery records and the new technology used by the uh, exploration team focuses on considering data, concise data process, looking things deeply and determining my mineral indicators. These are helpful for in order to pinpoint the large metal deposit bases. Evaluation of success and failure of innovations. In 2008, the trialing of autonomous Helgas system trucks have been developed for forming a strategic partnership with Komatsu Limited. Today, Rio Tinto has been operating in a huge fleet of autonomous trucks. They have also been rolling out the long distance auto haul railway system and full autonomous heavy haul. Thus, such external technologies are also provided by Hitachi Private Limited. Hence, other future program mined project is evolved in a rapid tunnel project and block cave mining developed, which helps out the extraction of ore bodies without having an opening pit at the surface. The focus in the Pod Operations Center, it remotely supervises the system of 16 mines, 2 power plants, and 4 terminal ports, all having been working in same different range of Filbera, which is most noteworthy that the separation amongst Kumamoto and Sparrow. The CEO of Rio Tinto says that concentration of advancement in all parts of its business and working with aptitude in Asian organization helps the mining succeed. Success of the project. With the innovation solutions, Rio Tinto provides initiation of having discover records and new technology used by extraction team focusing on concise data process, looking things deeply and determining mineral indicators. They are helpful in order to pinpoint the large metal deposit bases. Company has signed a partnership agreement with the external leading firms, including equipment producers and universities. These institutes offer a wide range of complementary skills and are helpful in driving Rio Tinto future program. In a private interview of a conference held in Asia House right after the partnership with Asia for Global Innovations, according to the statement of Sam Wells, that's how the $1 billion amount from the Algo Australian mining giant is far superior than the Google. They are also making use of driverless trucks in its mines, which create the Japanese truck manufacturer Komatsu. After the 10 years of struggling period, 2018 was marked as the period of change, and Rio Tinto started using autonomous mining trucks. These are the parts of the new strategy of Rio Tinto known as the Mine of Future. It is new concept around the reinvention and innovation to ensure thrive and survive in a changing period. Now my friend uh, Sandeep Telakonche is gonna explain the rest of the slides. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sandeep Talakunchi. I'm here to evaluate the success and failure of innovative measures. Acquiring, discovering, and exploring of a new resources tire. The organization is currently active in 15 countries to assess opportunities in copper, iron ore, coking coal, mineral sand, diamond, uranium, and nickel. To deliver the major capital projects and on budget, time, and safety, it was ready for the seamless handover to attire of operations. To optimize the leading change step and the domain of productivity, managing technical risk, automation platform, and overseeing innovations, managing industries and IT expertise, and the technical excellence. The major issues with the project. It's analyzed that the former CEO and CFO of the Rio Tinto have been charged by having a fraud. It is charged by the US authorities for covering the $1 billion amount on a coal investment in Africa. Exchange Commissions Alex Rio Tinto and the US Securities delayed in the write-down announcement of US $3.7 billion for the coal projects of Mozambique. The learnings from the projects. Walls took the lesson and connected it to the mining business, which had customarily been slow when it came into advancement. As per Walsh, having seen the car advancement in the auto business, I needed to guarantee that Rio Tinto propelled itself up by the innovation bent. It is noted working with the Rio Tinto product groups to ensure that our assets are productive, safe, profitable in the entire life cycle to ensure the right project projection in order to proceed with optimal business case. The organization is currently active in 15 countries to assess opportunities in copper, iron ore, nickel, coal mine, mineral sand, and diamonds. Uranium nickel. Here we have analyzed a few competitors of the Rio Tinto. The main competitor of Rio Tinto is BHP Billiton. It's because it's a larger as compared to Rio Tinto. Its core strength lies within its diversity. Along with that, the company has a strong market and financial system with a diversified revenue stream, while it is a leading company of petroleum and mining. HP Billiton is said to be the most well-known company while talking about the natural resources portfolio. Also, it supplies a multiple resources, which positions it on the top. BHP Billiton is a major rivalry of Rio Tinto company as a wide scale and a very strong brand name on the international basis. The company has also employs thousands of more productive and competent. Along with the BHP Billiton is engaged in CSR activities to make additional improvements in the branding image. There are many competitors in the market for Rio Tinto. However, BHP Billiton is the biggest one due to its immense growth on worldwide basis and the marketing and operations center dedicated towards the CSGS. The company also make a high returns on owned assets, which is also a strength in a financial terms. Here we have designed a few recommendations for the company. In the business dimensions of Rio Tinto, the technical and operational discipline are replicating the leading participations, and they tend to free up workers in order to focus on the different working conditions to deliver benefits to both business and partners. This company is recommended to optimize the use of ore bodies and mine planning. This can be done by making improvements in the use of vehicles fleet and mining equipment. Further, Rio Tinto is recommended to boost the level of performance and recovery in plants, processing to optimize assets capacity to enhance the productivity of the profits. We have designed a few costs for implementation of these innovations. Rio firmly concerned about the various over strategic volumes and focus to maximize return on investment by enhancing productivity. The focus on the Kudaidri project examination is considered as an option to maintain the competitivity position at a low cost and to have assets to manage maintain blend quality of product in Pilbara. Moreover, the focus of feasibility study is on obtaining essential permits and consent to get information about technical elements and core body and to deliver necessary data for project validation to analyze incorporated in the study will be disclosed groups of capital guidance will tells the Kodaidri examination development indicates as the next potential mining development of Rio Tinto in Pilbara. However, it will be focused with an intention to replace the ongoing production. An official conclusion in the on the movement of the Kodaidri press metal improvement will be influenced following the consumption of the plausibility to examine and ensuring audit by Rio Tinto Speculation Advisory Group of board. Time span. Focus of a focus of Rio Tinto to develop smart working way to control the daily working and implement performance of business activities and the growth the commodity markets are not under the control but it is in our hand to control our working activities to improve business performance. This is done to ensure that the efforts and the time of every person, machine, plant, and the infrastructure are used in productive and effective ways. It is because Rio Tinto believe that better options are always safer one. The productive levels of Rio Tinto is always based on fostering the culture to working in challenging environment. Here comes the conclusion. Based upon the previous study, we centralize experience and technical knowledge enables the work of growth and innovation, and by product group of Rio Tinto's product groups to have a superior growth of portfolios, innovative driven solutions to the various business challenges and operations, to replicate the best practices and provide support to have the qualitative decision making process. Further, innovation is essential to survive the growth of business, and companies should aim to improve the operations by taking learning from the previous projects. Yeah, these are the references which I've used in our research work. And thank you so much for your time.